Okay, student. Now consider the impurity defect. Impurity defect. What is the impurity defect? The defect arises when the cation from its regular site in the ionic compound in ionic crystal lattice is replaced by the different cations. That is called impurity defects. There are two types of the impurity defects. Substitutional impurity defect. There are two types of impurity defect. First is called substitution impurity defect, and second is the interstitial impurity defect. Substitutional impurity substitution impurity defect. What are the types of the impurity defect? There are two types of impurity defect: substitution impurity defect and interstitial impurity defect. Interstitial impurity defect. Interstitial impurity defects. So these are the two types of the impurity defect. What is the impurity defect? When impurity defect arises when the cation from its regular site is replaced by the other cation, is replaced by the different cations, then the impurity defect arises. For example, consider brass alloy. Brass alloy is the impurity defect. It is the impurity defect. Best example of the impurity defect is the brass alloy and stainless steel. These are the examples of the impurity defect. In the brass alloy, the copper ion is replaced by the zinc ion. So it is the substitution impurity defect. Why the substitution in the brass alloy is called substitution impurity defect? Because in this defect, copper atom is replaced by the zinc atom. So let us consider this is the copper atom, and you consider this is the zinc atom. Okay, so these are the zinc atom, copper atom, and this is the zinc atom. Okay, copper atoms, it is the zinc atom. So in the brass alloy, this alloy, the regular cation, that is the copper cation, is replaced by the impurity, that is the foreign atoms or atoms from the different elements. So it is called substitutional impurity defect with the brass alloy. And stainless steel, stainless steel is the another example of the interstitial impurity defect. If the foreign cation are occupy the positions between the interstitials, when foreign cations, foreign atoms occupy the interstitial positions, then the defect is called interstitial impurity defect. So this is the stainless steel. Okay, stainless steel alloy. In the stainless steel, interstitial defect is have the stainless steel have the interstitial defect. Why? In the stainless steel, this is the foreign atom, this is the foreign atom, the carbon atom occupies the interstitial positions, therefore it is called interstitial impurity defects. Okay. What are the types of the impurity defect? There are two types of the impurity defect. Substitution impurity defect, if the foreign cation, foreign atom occupy the occupy the positions of the regular cation, then it is called substitution defect, the substitution impurity defect. And the foreign atom, incoming atom from other elements occupy the positions between the two lattice point, that is the interstitial position, then it is called interstitial impurity defect. For example, stainless steel. In the stainless steel, the carbon atom occupy the interstitial positions in the iron atoms in the stainless steel defect, in the stainless steel. Therefore, this is a interstitial defects. Okay, I hope you are understood.